What if ChatGPT was just the beginning? On February the 7th, Microsoft announced the new Bing. That basically means ChatGPT with the whole web knowledge at its disposal. Now, when you visit bing.com, you can test its new capabilities with pre-built prompts like this one. I am planning a trip for our anniversary in September. What are some places we can go that are within a 3-hour flight from London Heathrow? If we click on Try It, you see on the left the traditional search results, but the cool part is on the right, where the GPT engine is building its response. It seems like a normal response from ChatGPT, but here we also have these small numbers close to underlined text. And if you hover with your mouse, you see it is mentioning the web source for that piece of information, and you can preview the link or visit it to get more information. Of course, this is for now just an example, as you cannot access features like the follow-up questions and opening the chat to continue the conversation. Also consider the response is preloaded and not actually generated by GPT at the moment. If we try another example, I also want to show that, unsurprisingly, among the sources it also suggests relevant YouTube videos, even if it still seems unable to relate those to a specific part of its response, nor to link to specific parts of the video, but maybe I tend to expect too much. To join the waitlist for actually using the new Bing, just visit bing.com/new and click on Join the Waitlist. Sign up using even a non-Microsoft email, like I'm doing here, and you're in. Well, while I can't say to have tested a real version of this new Bing yet, I do think this is going to be a giant shift in how fast we can find and process information from the web with the help of AI. Also, I consider this the first concrete challenge to Google's dominant position in the search engines industry. In its announcement, Microsoft stated that there are 10 billion search queries a day, but half of them go unanswered. That's because people are using search to do things it wasn't originally designed to do. I would better say the problem is search engines are behaving in a way that feels somehow outdated. Google's mission has always been to organize the world's information and make it universally accessible. They say search makes it easy to discover a broad range of information from a wide variety of sources. But that's simply not true, or at least is not as easy as users today expect. That's why instead people are so excited about ChatGPT and this kind of AI stuff. That's because AI and automation in general save them frustrations and time when coding, when writing, and also browsing among tens of search results and web pages just to find maybe what they're searching for. But most importantly for us, this web-savvy version of ChatGPT opens up many new use cases for AI monetization by solving the biggest limitation of GPT, not being aware of up-to-date or even real-time information from available sources, namely the web. So I've decided to ask ChatGPT itself to imagine it can join forces with web search capabilities and to tell me the new business possibility these would open. The results are interesting enough to deserve a dedicated video, and I'll also make one with hands-on test of the new Bing as soon as my account is activated. So make sure to subscribe to this channel for more content about ChatGPT, AI and income automation. And if you want more, also check out smartincomeguy.com/hi to access my recommended tools for smart income automation, plus my courses and Discord community. Or you can even find them in the video description. Take care and see you next time.